genes wrote in The Mysterious Universe that the universe is more like a thought than a thing. Okay? And he was one of Britain's great physicists in the mid-20th century. And so the thing is that we understand that particles of energy are more like thoughts than things. Mm-hmm. They're particles of dream. We are living in a dream state.
What David Icke, of course, says in his latest book, The Dream, is that it's all an illusion, it's all a dream.
It's all an illusion. The whole thing is an illusion. And this is what we see from the quantum reality. You know, the skeptics running around promoting materialism, saying there's nothing there but what we see and touch. What we see and touch is nothing there. This is nothing there. This is a complete illusion set up by the spin and the way these vortices interact.
And this spin and the way these vortices interact must be steered by something. Now, you say it's the masculine energy, the conception energy that steers that.
Yeah.
But it can't get into matter unless it relates to the feminine energy. So the masculine and feminine together form
the
three-dimensional
world that we see.
Yes, space, time, and matter.
But I'm going to get into more detail in the next episode on that one, on the interactions between the wave and the vortex. But what I need to say here is you can't have a great thinker without a great thought.
Yeah.
And so if the universe is that basically a body of thought is a mind. So a body of energies where they're particles of thought, they're thoughts more than things, means the universe is a mind. So in a way, but underlying the thought is the thinker. What is that thinker? Well, in quantum physics, it's consciousness. But in the quantum and the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum reality, things only exist to the extent they're observed. So these particles exist because they are constantly observed by this underlying consciousness. Mm-hmm. You see? Mm-hmm. So the thing is that consciousness underlies everything. But what we understand in physics, these subatomic particles, like the proton, for example, all have the same characteristics. So it seems as though they all come from the same consciousness. So consciousness is one, whereas particles are many. Mm-hmm. So consciousness is indivisible. So there's only one consciousness underneath everything and everyone.
Yeah.
And therefore, see, Chrissy, you can see me and I can see thee. But what it is behind the eyes, in you that's seeing me and behind my eyes seeing you, is the same conscious awareness. And this is why we are human beings. Hermes called us human beings because he recognized that we are the divine in physicality. Mm-hmm. We are the one being in the many bodies. We are the God-man beings, but there's one God. So if I hurt you, I hurt myself. Mm-hmm. If I love you, I love myself, because we're the same being in two different bodies.